So this is Liann's family house and it's totally fantastic. There's a skate park right next to her house, and as you can see it's very nice, colorful, like peach colors, light peach colors for the building color, and the windows are blue color, and the roof color is very nice too. And Liann has a pet gecko, but this year she has a new pet, which is an axolotl, and it's totally interesting. It's really wonderful, isn't it? And we have some little axolotl shapes on the wall of her skating park as well. So we have 4 dolls in this set, but sadly we don't have Victoria. So Victoria's Liann's sister, but she's not included in this set. So this is the living room, but there's actually a bamboo tree in their living room, and they're playing like panda video games. Yeah, panda video games I kind of understand, but bamboo in the house, that's very interesting. But a lot of people actually grew bamboos in their houses, so yeah, it's kind of like that. So if you go up the stairs next to the axolotl tank, there's a bed like in the second floor, kind of like a little bit upper bed, and then underneath there's Liann's like table where she can do some drawing activities and listen to music. There's also like a radio, stuff like that. So yeah, it's totally fantastic. It looks really nice and cozy, with lots of plants and stuff like that. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.